Are you ready to take a ride? Not on a roller coaster, but on the thrilling, sometimes terrifying journey of investing. If you're looking to grow your money, the stock market can be a powerful tool, but it's essential to know where you're going. Let's break down 5 crucial tips to help you navigate this exciting, yet complex world. 1. Know your risk tolerance. Understanding your risk tolerance is the foundation of successful investing. Your investment journey should match your personality. Are you comfortable with ups and downs, or do you prefer a steadier ride? Knowing your risk tolerance will help you make choices that align with your financial goals. 2. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key to managing risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Imagine if you only invested in one company and that company suddenly faced unexpected challenges. Your investment could take a big hit. Diversification means spreading your money across different stocks, bonds, and even other asset classes. It's like building a strong foundation for your financial future. 3. Focus on the long term. Long-term investing is a proven strategy. The stock market can be volatile, with ups and downs. But remember, the market has historically trended upward over time. It's like watching a tree grow. There might be storms, but the tree keeps reaching for the sky. Focus on the long term and avoid getting caught up in short-term fluctuations. 4. Do your research. Thorough research is essential for informed investment decisions. Research the companies you're interested in, understand their financial health, their industry, and their growth potential. Look for companies with strong fundamentals and a solid track record. Knowledge is your superpower in the investment world. 5. Master your emotions. Emotional control is crucial for successful investing. Fear and greed can be powerful forces in investing. When the market crashes, stock becomes cheaper and it might be a good time to increase positions, but fear can tempt you to sell. When the market soars, stocks become expensive and it might be a good time to decrease positions, but greed might push you to buy recklessly. Stay calm, stick to your investment plan, and let time work its magic. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. By understanding your risk tolerance, diversifying your portfolio, focusing on the long term, doing your research, and controlling your emotions, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Subscribe to the channel for more investment content to help you increase your wealth. Stay tuned. Level the game.